Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I want to talk about how to write the perfect SEO title tag. Now, for those of you who don't know what title tags are this blue line above a website in the search results. And they're important for a couple reasons. The main thing is they're important for SEO, but they're also important because a lot of people will just see these and they won't even read the description here, right? This is called the meta description. This is the title tag. A lot of people will just read the title tag and decide whether or not they want to click through to the site based on that. So you got to consider that when you're writing them. So the approach I like to take is, first of all, you want to obviously appeal to the SEO component, right? So let's say this is a case I was working on earlier, tree service Connecticut. So I'm looking for a tree service company in the state of Connecticut. Okay, here's the local results, but let's say I'm going down here and I'm looking at the organic results. What we can see here is we see that that a lot of these companies that are ranking are clearly using the keywords that they think people are typing in. So tree trimming, tree removal, tree service, tree service, tree service, tree service. So we can see a pattern here. So we figure, okay, this is what other companies are using. Let's say these are our competitors. Well, then we'd want to include that in our title tag as well, right? So, and the thing is, if you're trying to rank for this term, you're definitely going to want to include that in your title tag. Now, that said, there's also that second component of this, which I mentioned before, which is you want to make it sort of user friendly, right? You want to include some sort of call to action, or you just want to make it readable. You don't want it to be totally stuffy to where it says like tree service, tree trimming, like this is almost stuffy. Tree trimming, tree removal. I mean, I guess it's okay, but this is really borderline to me. Especially this is lowercase, which it shouldn't be, but you want to just include the one keyword that you're targeting, right? The main keyword, and then include something else that's unrelated to the keywords. Like include your brand name, your company name, or include the location. Something like that. Something that just promotes your click-through rates. Like this is perfect here. Bart's Tree Service, Danbury, Connecticut, and surrounding areas. So this tells people, okay, I'm a tree service and I service this area. So if you live there, you should call me, which is great, especially for local. What was that noise? Especially for local SEO when you're doing that. So as far as length is concerned, I use this site, and you can see it up here. It's called totheweb.com. I'll probably include a link in the description. This is an awesome website. It's totally free. You go here and you type in your page title for the title tag. So let's say Tree Service Connecticut, Brian's company. All right. And it shows you the length here. Now, title tags can be no longer than 580 pixels. Once you get to that point, it's going to get cut off. So like if we wanted to keep going and say, number one tree service in the state of Connecticut. So that's going to be a problem because as you can see here, it goes ... at the end, which means that it's not going to show up. And it's not going to do us a whole lot of good, even if we added text after that, right? So you want to make sure that all the text is in those little margins here. It has to be 580 pixels. Can't be longer than that. Meta description is a little different. It can be a lot longer, but for the sake of this, we're just talking about title tags. So those are just some things to keep in mind. Again, you want to balance the SEO with the sort of user friendliness, and don't be afraid to experiment. Try one out. Try one out for your homepage. Let it go for a few days. Check your analytics. Kind of see if people are clicking through. Check your rankings, your Search Console rankings, and analytics, I guess. But check your Search Console rankings. See how many click throughs you're getting to your site, and if it feels like you're not getting enough, just go in and change it. See how your rankings are impacted as well, and go from there. And that is it.